We're here at the RM Group stand here at the PPMA Show 2014. Delighted to be joined by Llewellyn Rees. Hi Llewellyn, how are you doing?
Hi David, how are you?
Very well, thanks. Now, tell me a bit about what RM Group does and what this impressive lorry that you've got behind us is doing.
Okay, so this is the mobile packing system. It was basically developed to, rather than putting robots and packing machinery inside a factory, it can actually go inside a trailer. So it makes it very mobile. Customers can take it from their sites, from place to place, and it's good for fuel saving as well, because we can take, rather than taking the bulk material to the packing plants, to the factories, we can take the mobile plant to the bulk material. So huge savings on fuel costs.
Okay, so mobile packaging, is that RM Group's specialism?
No. As a company, we sell process and packaging machinery, and the mobile plant is just it's the product we do. It's one of the products.
Brilliant. Well, we're here in the corner of Hall 5 at the NEC. It's very visual. I can't wait to find out more about what the big arm in there is actually doing. So how about you pop inside and speak to our Nikki?
Yeah, sure.
See you in a minute.
Well, thank goodness I'm sure, because there isn't an awful lot of room in here. Llewellyn, mind your head. Thank you for joining me. As David said, very visual. So talk us through. Essentially, we're in the brain of the machinery, aren't we?
Right,
what
yeah.
goes on up here?
Basically, what you have is the raw material comes from outside, and it starts to go into here. This is called the doser. So this pre-weighs the material ready for the packing machine that's down below. I can take you now and show you the packing machine below if you want.
Yes, let's. That's where all this noise is coming from here.
Yep.
There we go. You might need to crouch down. Okay. So this is the ABB robot, isn't it?
That's right, yeah. So the robot is there to stack the material after it's been packed. The material, once it's stacked, it comes to the end here, and then it's removed with the forklift. Up here is a good area as well for our control panels. It keeps it away from the raw material, the dirty end of the business, we call it, down below. It's a good area to be.
I like it, as long as you're not too tall,
well, that's
of
right.
course. Well, it certainly looks very impressive. How does this differ then to some of the other machines on the market? What's so unique about this?
Well, it's unique because it's mobile. I mean, setting up at this exhibition, we were literally half an hour and we were done.
Really?
Yeah,
Quickly?
yeah. Well, it's all contained, and all you have to do is plug the power in. So it's got a huge advantage to our customers. You know, the raw materials, they can just ferry these machines in, pack it, and then away it goes to the next place.
So tell us about some of your customers then. Who would be interested in machinery like this? Who you're working with at the moment?
Some of the customers, for example, in the salt industry, the UK, the ships come into the UK. These mobile packing machines, they can go to the docks where the ships arrive, into whatever port, and then, you know, they can pack however much they need to and move on to the next port. So the customer doesn't have to build a factory. He doesn't have to, the expensive costs of fixing the machinery into a factory. It's all mobile.
Incredible, makes an awful lot of sense. What are you most looking forward to about PPMA 2014? Because it really is an exciting show. As an exhibitor, what sort of got you excited?
I think the mobile plants, we've been developing them for a few years. So now this show is really going to, you know, put it out there to hopefully new customers, you know, and we can demonstrate its advantages.
Excellent. Well, best of luck with the show. And don't forget to get yourself down here to visit Llewellyn and the team and come and have a look at this incredible robot you can see here behind us.